Hold on, yeah, I see what's going on here. There's nothing wrong with her, please. Nah. Holy shit, get moving. Stairs now, 10. Alright. Good morning and welcome back to the Trucking UK channel. Let me get out of the car and then I'll let you know what's going on. So, we've got a PMI going on today. We're gonna do the checks and hopefully, we're gonna pass this test. So if that's the case, that'll be the third test with no problems whatsoever that we get through, which has been amazing. So, fingers crossed, let's get out of there. First of all, I need to put all this in my truck. And one of the most amazing trucks in the yard, to my opinion, that's the one. Scania 660X. It's a rear tag axle and it's a beauty. The owner of this, I always see it in the road, he looks after that truck like, and mine needs a really good wash. Put this in the truck now and get out of here. If you're asking yourself what's going on, so a PMI is a check that have to be done every 6 weeks or every 8 weeks or every 10 weeks, well 12 weeks. It depends how old is your truck or what kind of stuff do you use. I don't know if you remember, but I think this was the one that I drove from JPL. This is one of the trucks that I drove the last time. The shiny wheels. Darren looks after these trucks like nobody there I know. So stealth range, it's one of the things that I want to get on. So stealth range is one of the things I want to get on. Why? Because you can do all kind of things in your machinery, and it's like a man job. It's a man job. And then once go down, I think it's a double flipper instead of a single one. I think it's double flipper. If I'm wrong, that please let me know in the comments. I'm not an expert. I'm getting into trucking. Only been 3 years now. Well, not been 3 years, it's been something like that. So it's a double one. I think they're both going for PMI anyway. I think we're gonna be buying one of them maybe, but we need all the training first. So that will be coming in the thing now. So the only guy I trust with my truck.
I don't
look
trust.
At that bit.
I wouldn't trust me.
Just don't crash it. Are we going on bay one? Happy days. Let's go and say hi to Matt as well.
I can hear trouble. You okay?
So this is Matt, this is my mate. It's TikTok.
Matt the Fitter.
Matt the Fitter. Go and follow him, and as soon as we get to 10,000, he's gonna get on YouTube as well. We're gonna crack
on
down
YouTube.
Well.
Definitely.
100%.
Definitely.
100%. Like we actually doing that. We're doing some paperwork.
I love paperwork. It's my favourite part of the day.
No. Are you gonna help him get in? A lot of work going on today. Just don't break it. Just don't fall. Just don't fall. You didn't lift the mid axle.
So when I jack it up,
yeah, it's
definitely free, so I can spin it easy. That's why I put it down.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm
it's
sure.
Not because you want to waste my tires.
Yeah, burner, mate.
Or Anthony just got his stuff, got his car out. I think I'm gonna bother him a bit today, so I haven't bothered him in a while. He's on TikTok as well.
Yeah.
What's your TikTok again?
Wigan Fitter.
Yeah, there you go, follow him. So him and Matty is gonna do a remix. When they get to 10,000 followers, they're gonna get into YouTube and I'm gonna help it out, and you're gonna help it out by going in the description of this video, clicking his link and following them. So go and make sure and you do that. All right, I just found this chair. Kinda cool. This wasn't here last time. Just pressing the brake like crazy, horn, everything checking. All right. And he's turning all this. So should we go on the other side and find the way soon? Hey!
So I'm checking home, checking light.
Oh, the lights, but yeah. So basically, like I do like a daily check in the morning.
Yeah, so basically like your routine check, making sure everything works inside the car. Make sure you've got no faults.
No lights.
Yeah, make sure your air builds up as it should. Mileages, checking wipers, mirrors.
I just changed them wipers so they should be alright.
Yeah.
Well, make that for me.
Mirrors, like general.
No cracks.
No, no.
Even if it's wrong, just cover your eyes.
Yeah.
Never do that.
There's your brake lines.
Yeah. So it came
they
up.
all should be good because we changed them all, didn't we?
Yeah, they all changed. All right, so far all good. Lights. If you're thinking about getting a truck, think it twice because it's hard work. Today I lost a day of work because it needs all the check-ins. So we have a little look downstairs. Oh, I had a dream last night actually. I did, no, I swear down. So I drove off and apparently you said like, you said to me, drive it out is so good, and then you forgot to put the cap on the coolant, and they just come to everything came out. Having a dream beforehand. Okay. Hopefully we don't need to change the brakes. Hopefully we don't need to change the front brakes anytime soon. If you ever wonder what the exhaust look like, that massive thing there is the exhaust. Is quite all that thing, all the fumes going into there, and it comes out of there. Yeah, it's a different thing. So it's been a good day already.
No, it'll only need, it needs that halt fix in that problem.
Look at this guy. Do that. Nah. You know what? I just got away. Oh, you know one thing that I forgot I should have done for my high base. Oh, I'm missing that out. This can be a fail. This. Hey man, like I didn't even notice that. Holy Jesus! This is not bloody good. This. It's always something in the truck. It doesn't matter what you do, it's always going to be something. Every time. So what we're actually looking down here.
You're working it regular like yourself, there's going to be.
Wait, I'm just pushing this to the max. What are you looking for in here? I just cracks.
I'm just literally just looking for general stuff then. I need to jacket, I usually jacket up first.
Alright.
Check tyres, kingpins, stuff like that, and then on the way back up down I'll just check for like bushes, spring eye bushes, anti-roll bushes, just general
stuff.
Yeah.
So what about for like on the operators out there, before they take it for an inspection, what would be the best thing they could do?
Just literally do the best thing to do is just do like your daily driver's checks. So checks like lights, check like spray suppression, make sure nothing's hanging off.
Just daily check.
Daily checks, really, yeah. And then because you're not going to get underneath it, are you? So
yeah, they can't.
So like. Yeah.
Unless you crawl underneath a bit.
Exactly. So, but other than that, just check your levels as well, because that'll always give like if you got a big leak or something.
Yeah. Learning with Anthony. Yes. You must love your job.
Love it.
This is cool, dude. All right, we moved from the front to the back, and you're just doing the back wheels now. Other than that thing, we have found nothing, which is good, but we gotta get that thing fixed now. Gonna need a new paint job. Okay. What kind of prove this? The one is crashing now. I don't want to put this down because I don't want to crash it. Yeah, actually. Yeah. All right, let's figure this out. So basically, I see what it is. All right, that should be pushed in there. Gonna have to loosen it a bit. There we go. Is that hanging in the back there?
Needs to go.
Let me know, then I'll push it in. Your light's here. Hold on, yeah, I see what's going on here. Over the top. Hold on. Hold on, wait there, a sec. There you go. And then I should go in. All right, okay. Yeah, I got it. All right. I think I needed 13. When all this gets polished, gonna take that off and do the insides as well. Just need tidying up that. I need to go and find thing. Wow, look at the dirt in there.
Wearing.
Yeah. So how much wear and tear we got there? Just in the middle?
Yeah, it's in the middle there.
Yeah.
You've probably got like, I'd say like 5 mil left.
Yeah.
And the legal limit's 1. Well, I wouldn't leave it to get that low and that height I want.
So would you say the next PMI?
No, I'd say 2. I'd probably say you get 2, depending obviously, you can get cuts in tyres, can't you?
Yeah.
Probably like, what are you on, like 12 weeks?
No, 8.
8 weeks.
So every 8 weekly?
Yeah, so I'd probably say you get 2, maybe 1, maybe 2.
Maybe 2.
Maybe, because in some points it's a lot less than others.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So that one. I thought you were mentioning you were going to mention the middle axle.
Nah.
To be honest,
you don't use the middle that much here.
No, not really. But remember when I changed the tires, I only changed the outsides because of the weather ones worn out. Yeah. Actually, I'm asking you for stuff when I got some in the truck as well. No, spanner. I mean, nah, I think we're alright. Oh no, it's a 15, I think. It's a 40. Yes, it was a 14. Put it tight so it doesn't come off again. Okay. Right, back in the box. All right, back on this again. This side goes in first. Oh, this is honestly, it's rubbing so much in the back of this that it's just making a hole in it. Look, it's just rubbing on that just every time you just bounce. Why did I get it myself into? I don't know. Hey, to be honest, it's fun. Could be worse.
Yeah, it could be worse.
It could be benefits.
Exactly that line.
Yeah. Stays. All fixed. All fixed. So last checks now. Hey, no. Please, nothing wrong with her, please. I'm just looking at this, and at the same time I'm thinking like, what did I get myself into? This is not, I need to think about it. It's quite stressful and a lot of things like to take in account, but I think it's still worth it for me. I'm still enjoying doing it, but that's my opinion on it. So one of the things that just come into the manual that you have to do by law, I'm pretty sure it's optional, but being a new haulier, I will do it, and I think it will cost a little bit more, but at the end of the day, that's going to be worth it doing it. So we're doing the brake test and making sure everything is down to a T 100%. Do not escape any. If you're a new haulier or an old haulier, whatever, make sure you do all your checks, all your mechanical stuff is right down to point, because if something happens, you can go to jail for this. You actually can. So don't risk it. Don't risk your life, don't risk anybody's life, because you got family as well. And if something like this go massively wrong, one of your family members gets like badly injured, you'll be really, really angry and be hating that person for the rest of your life. So don't risk it. All right, getting on the rollers, computer it again. You have to put your name and all that there. Or just
But hopefully yours should have been braked.
EV. We need to go and get a trailer now before we can test brake it. I was sending a text right now to Simon, so for the magazine that we're going to be in, Anthony just turned up with a truck. Hey, you look good in there. Finish my text. We get on that. Yeah, we do that. All right, we got to do the fifth wheel, move a couple of feet forward, or a couple of clicks. You see it's right at the back. I've been wanting to move it for a while, but I've not been able to do it.
You want it to like here?
Yeah, like that down there. But this is like impossible to get moving. You know what I'm saying? I try everything on the book. That's it. Woo. Careful. So, all right, okay. Not as easy as I thought it would be. Good day. Well, he's gonna go and get a hammer now, so. Oh, it's that side that's still no in. Alright, we finished this now. Alright. Is that sorted? Cheers, Mum. Alright, all sorted. He's gonna get that. And then for that, find out if we actually done some work today, because we were expecting this to be done by now, so let's get underneath for that. Yeah, I'm done here this. Put him in the bin in a minute. Okay, let's do it. Get in there. You pulls. All right, we had the PMI done. Couple of things. So they went off. It's that panel. They shouldn't be like that. I didn't notice it was hanging by a thread. Anthony pulled it and it came off. So it shouldn't be like that. So we fixed that. That's one of the things. We had one of the tires. For the next PMI might need changing as well, so we will have to do that. There's about £200 there using tires. Not the best news in the world, but we got to get it done. The brake test went fine. Everything went fine. Everything went through. Trying to keep on top of it a little bit more. This truck is getting ragged around all day long, all week, and all this kind of stuff. So gotta get on top of this as much as I can. I want to do some low loader work, but I need to think about it before I start getting into anything, because spending. Yeah, but other than that, all fantastic, all good. Make sure you put, like, when it goes in service and stuff like that, put them in your book, because the truck's getting moved around. So can't move the truck out without the card and all that, so just make sure you do that. Time to go. Anyway, this is the end of the videos. Thank you guys. The support has been amazing. Thank you so much. Just gonna go home now. Wait for another job if something comes through. So I'm on the road. So see you in a bit. Cheers, guys.